Okay, let's take a look at a bit more detail about the data modeling. Okay, here comes our ER model. Yeah, one-to-many data model. Okay, sometimes we call it entity relationship model. You'll find a very interesting word here, crow's foot diagram. Okay, like this three. Okay, look like crow's foot, right? Which refers to there are many record could be mapping to only one record. Here is a many to one. And ID is for secretive purpose used to link them together. So ID here associated with this ID here. So this is a more succinct, okay, more concise version. This is a verbose version. So that's one thing, yeah. And foreign key, yeah. Foreign key can have a many, and primary key should be only have a one. Okay, always has a one. And the previous example we assigned by ourselves as a primary key, but actually this should be nice if a database can take care of ourselves. If everything is unique, need to be as a unique one, yeah, we can potentially consider it's a primary key. So here comes a keyword. Okay, if artist, okay, we can create the ID and announce it as the primary key. Okay, so this is a new learning point. The rest part is the same. Okay, so this is a new, drop the table, create a new. So because a bit of change in syntax, and then we can use SQLite to trace step by step. Okay, and one thing I would like to point it out here. Okay, you can see this is exactly the same, right? But when we put a SQLite, we have one extra command called select last insert row ID. So what does that mean? When you first insert the one entry, yeah, the ID it will be initially as a 1, right? The second, you insert the second record, that's the ID will be 2. So you can call this function, okay? Call this function to ask database what the ID is, okay? What the ID is, okay? So this is a thing, okay? So let's do it. Now I need to drop everything, okay? I need to drop everything. Okay, so now my data is gone. So let's see tables. I only have a one track table, right? And we can select it from track. Okay, and we also need to drop. Yeah, not yet to associate with this, but let's modify the artist table. Okay, so this is the new part, ID integer primary key. Okay, this part is new. Okay, and then we can start it to insert the data. Okay, insert the data will be the list line. This line, let's put into the SQL. Okay, no message is good news. Okay, so now select artist. See this ID because we are now using this command to get this, right? It's quite not normal. It's for learning purpose. If we have a tons of information, we couldn't do that, right? So that's why we need this. After we insert one thing, we want to know its ID. We want to know its ID. Okay, this is for what? For us to insert to another table as a foreign key, so that we can connect the association, right? So this is quite important, okay? So this is the way we use in the SQLite command line. Okay, and we can keep doing this. We can drop the table for the track. Okay, see, we missing the D. Drop the table for the track, and we recreate the new track table. So what's the difference? Because I copy everything. So here need to be careful. This track table, we have its own primary key. Okay, every table should have its primary key, and the title. Okay, here, and the play, and sorry about that. Okay, let's come back to the recording. Sorry, and so we need to recreate the table, right? Track table, because we want to associate with the automatically foreign primary key, yeah, but assign here to be a foreign key. So this will be the command, right? So yeah, now we have 2 tables, okay? But the first one, artist, let's check, select. Yeah, we already have one record, right? This is the primary key of the artist, and we'll be use it as a foreign key in track table, right? So if you look at the text, the code will be here. The artist will be associated as 1, because this one is what we got from here, from the command last select insert row ID. Okay. So we need to prepare when we select this one to get its ID. We need to know. Okay, we need to associate with them. Okay, So this is why here need to be filled with number 1. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, values. Okay. Yeah, if you can type on your own, yeah, that's the best. I do this for the purpose of fast explaining, recording. Okay, not necessarily help me learn better. Okay, so now we can check. Yeah, so this one will be foreign key, right? This one is the primary key. So this is the primary key of the track, okay? Primary key of track, and so we got a return 1, right? And if we keep doing this, the second record value will be New York, right? New York. Play count is 25. Still, it's a 1 as a foreign key, right? Yes. So now this is a track table, and where we have a selection table, no artist table with the artist table. Yeah. So here we go. So remember, yeah, this is a very unique, one singer, one record. So this is a 1 foreign key, right? And this part, many, okay, many. So remember, Cross foot, right? Right, cross foot. Okay. So many to one. This part is called foreign. This part primary key, and it has its own primary key. Okay. Yes, I think we have. I think that's it. We can continue associate with them, right? We can associate. Nothing different from the previous example, use 42, but this one we use automatically assign primary key. And so I think that's it. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.